hello. Good afternoon, people. This is Edisana over the road. Look here, my baby. Mama just left. I was gonna make a video. I was gonna show you guys. A guy. He was driving down the road, and a turkey hit his windshield. He covered already, but look this, the bird, flying to his windshield. It was horrible, but I think he's gonna be able to change it tomorrow only, and he covered with the duct tape. Well, I am in Bowling Green truck stop, and I'm run to USA truck. I'm IC leased onto my truck to USA truck, and I am driving for about 3 years so far. Yeah, and get some experience, right? How is USA truck? It's a good company, really, but everybody's going through a hard time right now with a diesel price high to the sky, freight low, the brokers and everybody else don't want to pay, because they expected like the bad time, so we need to be careful, like how you book your loads, where you're going, do nice pre-trip. How plan your trip, Well, let me show you guys a little bit of this truck stop. This is Sunny, Mommy, Lily. Oh, this is my babies. They run with me. Love to run with my babies. Well, this load I picked in New Jersey, and I'm going to Pendergrass, Georgia. This truck stop, they have a unique service. You wash your truck right there, right? Then you come here in the back, they have a guys, they polished your entire truck, all the crumbs, look at this truck, how beautiful. Can I show you truck? Yeah. Okay, look this truck, it's amazing. Look, the detail is just like insane, beautiful. Look this, look at the details. This is on, let me see, Kenworth. Yeah, and he's polishing his truck. Look this, how beautiful. So if you guys ever coming here to Bowling Green, Flying J, you can wash your truck, park here, and it's not expensive. They charge me like $100 to polish. This is not ready yet. He's working on it, And this the guy who the truck hit him. Look this truck here. I like this truck here because it says on the side, it says lucky to be rolling. It's like gambling, but winning. You know, it's so beautiful. I really love it. You know, there is a meeting. The other side. You know, I'm gonna walk around and show you guys. Guys, excuse my English. You know, actually I'm from Brazil. Live in the United States for 23 years. And I reinvented myself about 3 years ago. I used to own a restaurant. Then I say, no, not anymore. I was tired. And plus I had some problem with, you know, partner. And decided to, you know, run my own business, get out of there and, you know, do something else. I'm happy to be a truck driver. Yes, I am. Super. It's a freedom. You know, you have the chance to know the United States. Oh, another one. See, he's polishing like the this he's doing with a machine. You know, look that. Look that job. It's amazing. That's it. You guys won't believe how beautiful. Do you mind if I show you your job? Do you mind if I show your job? Do you mind if I show your job?
Oh,
I'm recording a video.
That's fine.
Guys, look the difference. Look this. Look this.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
You know, I say I'm gonna make a video and show what you guys doing here. It's insane, beautiful. You know, you're welcome. You're welcome. You know, I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit more. Like, look como estava, how was the chrome. Thank you. It's amazing, you know, amazing job. This truck stop is kind of big truck stop, you know. Most of the trucks here, they get polished, you know. They polish the wheels. Look this wheel right here. It's so beautiful, you know. Amazing. Well, you know, and then I decided to reinvent myself, start to drive truck. I was 52 years old, got my license. Oh, you're so beautiful. Look at that baby, look at that baby. Look at that baby. He's so beautiful. Oh, are you going to play? Are you going to play? Another thing here in the United States. I guess 80% of people, of the truck drivers, has a dog on board. You know, it's such a beautiful companion, such a beautiful, you know, life to have by you, near you. You know, you really enjoy. I enjoy my babies, you know, Lily and Sunny. People call them the Miss Universe. You know, oh, another people, oh, las gordas. Then I say, okay, you know, Mama gorda too. You know, again here we have car hauling. aqui nas laterais vão ser polidos hoje. Most of this car is gonna be polished today. I'm gonna be in line, but I think they're gonna polish my wheels only tonight, you know. And so they say, you know, they don't care. We can go to sleep, so when you wake up, your wheels is done, you know, because they go to your truck. You don't have to move your truck to the, you know, to the shop or anything. They do this here. This is reserved parking. Reserved parking is, you gotta pay. Every truck stop, I mean, most of the truck stops has reserved parking spaces, okay? It's not a full truck stop. It's normally in the back, it's quiet, and in the front of the store, you know. The middle ones, it's free, but it's not easy to find space after 7 or 8 p.m. Oh, look at that, what I told you guys. Look at that, you know. Most everybody has a dog inside, you know, and they have pit bulls, Rottweiler, canines, you know. So chihuahuas, it's so beautiful when you see like the big boys, you know, driving huge Peterbilt. When he get out,
Smile, you're on candy camera.
right? Look at that baby there. Hey, what is your daddy? Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. What is your daddy? Oh my God, look how beautiful. Look that dog. I don't know if you guys can see. Whoa, wow. I'm showing you how beautiful you are. And then I think most of the truck you go, you're going to see a dog inside. They have a cat as well. Also, as I saw one video. They have a pig, you know. He has a pig and a dog, but he needs to put a step at the door to the pig go inside, get inside of the truck. So funny, you know. Yeah. So this is okay. We were talking about the reserved. This runs in between $14 to $25. If you're in New Jersey, New York, you know, these places are $20 to $25. Okay, here, yes, 14, 15, you know, you pay something like that. Okay, and but the middle lanes are free, you know. If you're lucky, in the evening you can get a free parking, you know? Yeah, I was gonna show you guys one Peterbilt. He left already. That Peterbilt was amazing, all chromes, you know, and lights. And his trailer, it was steel, I think. I don't know what's the metal name, but it was beautiful, you know, amazing. Well, here, let's talk about Prime, okay? Prime Inc. It's a very, very good company to start with. Prime. It's yeah, I think it's the top one to start to drive for it. Okay, you can call. They're going to hire you. You know, they and then I got my CDL with the night transportation. It's a very good company as well, you know. So when you call to Prime, night transportation, so you're gonna make your first part of your CDL the closest yard to your house. For the practice, they're gonna send you to Arizona, you know. So there, they're going to teach you how to drive. They're gonna put you on the road. Then you're gonna be tested right there. Look this beat. Not joking, right? And then, yeah, 2 top-notch company in US to start with, my opinion. Okay, in my opinion, Prime and night transportation. I can find one night transportation right now to show you guys how to spell. But yeah, in my opinion, you know, I was very lucky, had a good instructor, you know, with a lot of experience. My trainer, Miss Kathleen, you know, she was the one who she really, look at this truck, how beautiful, the chromes, you know, so beautiful. Because I was so scared to, you know, go to the road, and she, with her, you know, knowledge and very, very nice person, she made me a great driver. Not bragging about it, okay? You know, yeah, but I was happy to have her as my trainer, you know, the person who you can trust. This is very important. Very important. All right, guys. You know, I guess I got there too late to show the torque damage on that guy windshield. You know, because he put like a duct tape to his you know, windshield. I think till tomorrow they're gonna change tomorrow maybe, you know. And all right, that's all I have to tell you guys. I was gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna make a video showing you also. I'm gonna make a video talking about my whole process of my driver's license. Okay, and I'll be posting there soon. All right, okay, you guys have a great day. Sorry my English, you know. But you know, the important, I think I want to pass the, you know, the feelings and how happy I am with trucking, you know. Later on, I'm gonna talk about USA truck as well. You know, how is our pay, how we book the loads, you know, because we are not dispatched, we dispatch ourselves, you know, how we pick our loads from our USA truck load board, you know. So you have to have your app, you have to be there and get your loads from the load board. All right, okay, you guys have a great day. See you.